Hi everyone, I am Kimberly Dixon. My page is Joyful Living with Kimberly Dixon. It is designed to help those who have chronic arthritis mainly, or chronic pain, or people who are preparing for some type of orthopedic surgery, especially total knee replacement. I had bilateral total knee replacement in 2000. It totally changed my life, so I wanted to start a channel to show people what the process was like and to encourage them along the process. But today, well, I'm outside taking a little stroll. I'm walking much slower than I normally do, of course, because I'm videoing. And plus, I've had both knees replaced, so I walk crooked. But that's okay. I'm happy to be able to walk. But there are many of us small channels who are not going to make it to 1,000 subscribers by February the 20th. So today I wanted to encourage you all. And I wanted you to think about where you were when you started this process sometime in January. Now me, I don't get on YouTube every day, so I was a little bit behind the 8 ball when I found out about everything that was going on. And then last week I had the flu. So that was another maybe 5 or 7 days that I didn't do any work on getting subscribers. My head hurt so badly that I couldn't hardly hold it up. And my eyeballs hurt, really, so I wasn't on YouTube at all. So I lost a little bit of ground there. And I'm not going to make it. But I also made a previous video saying that I wasn't giving my channel up. So I want to encourage everyone who's not going to make the 1,000 subscribers by the February the 20th deadline. So yes, you will lose your monetization. But I want you to think about the ground that you've gained over the course of the last month. And I also want you to think about the fact that February 20th is the deadline to give you the 30-day notice. But it doesn't mean you can't get your monetization back. All that means is you're going to temporarily lose it. But I want to encourage you to keep pushing, keep working, so you may make it by April 20th. Or March 20th, April 20th, maybe even May 20th. Some it may take longer than that. It may take me longer than that because, again, I'm not on YouTube every day and I don't make a video every day. But I don't want you to give up. And I don't want you to be discouraged by this. Yes, some policy changes were made that seem unfair, but life isn't fair, guys. Things are going to happen throughout our entire life that we aren't going to be happy with. But what we have to do is make a decision that we are going to not fight reality, because this is happening whether we want it to or not. But that we're going to do everything in our abilities to improve this situation. So keep supporting each other, keep subscribing to other channels, keep viewing other channels, leaving your comments. Excuse me. I'm sorry, guys. Some pollen or something got in my throat. Yeah, it's been warm the last few days, so trees are trying to bloom here in North Carolina. So but we just wanted to share that quick word with you all. Excuse me. So like the video, comment below, subscribe. Because again, I'm not gonna make the 1,000 in 5 days. I've gotten up to 335, and that's great. I'm ecstatic about that, because before this process started, I was at 224. That is great progress. Sure, it's not everything that I needed, but it's still great progress. Celebrate the successes you've made along the way and keep pushing. Don't throw up your hands in exasperation. Keep pushing. We'll get there. So continue to support each other. Subscribe. Comment. Like videos. Watch videos. Don't go to anybody's channel and just hit the subscribe button without viewing and without commenting. YouTube will take that subscription back. I've seen it happen on mine a couple times. I saw the number go up and immediately it was gone. So all that meant was somebody came to your page, hit subscribe, they didn't watch, they didn't comment. YouTube is not stupid, guys. They know all the little tricks and everything. So let's put some effort into this and treat each other well. You're not doing anyone any favors by just hitting the subscribe button. And I would hope that we would all continue to support each other. I know I'm going to. I'm gonna do everything in my capabilities to help out us little guys. And I hope you have a great day. I'm gonna actually stop filming here because I'm getting ready to actually get in the street. And I love life and I want to keep mine. So I will talk to you guys soon.